Hello again, everyone. Thank you for joining me. I hope you're all well. Okay, so this is a quick review, and yeah, this is a little bit different to what I usually do. So basically, this is SignalRGB. So I did mention this in a recent episode, and this is the controller I use for my RGB lights in my PC, which I'll show you in just a second. So basically, how it works, I've only got the free version, and there's no need for me to get anything other than the free version. How it works is you add your stuff through ARGB ports on the actual computer, or you can do what I did, because I didn't have RGB. I bought a Razer Chroma RGB, and then this gives you 6 extra slots, and it plugs into one of your unused USB things on your motherboard. And then you've got all of these channels. So I've got 6 channels at the moment. And then you come to this screen and you can do lots of different stuff. So these are all free. And what I'm going to do now is quickly show you what it's actually doing on my PC. So let's move that up. Yeah, so that's my PC. And as you can see, it's representing what's on the screen. So if I go to layout, these are all of the things. You can move these around, but I'm not going to, because I don't want to ruin one of my other configurations. Sorry about the wires everywhere, everyone, but it's just a demonstration. So this works best with music, in my opinion. And yeah, I'm a massive fan of music. So obviously, because of copyright, I can't really play that much on here, but I can play this, and it's quite fitting. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mute the microphone, and then I'm going to show SignalRGB doing its thing.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through eyes covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality.
Okay, so as you can see, it's really good reacting to music, and obviously it's quite sunny outside at the moment, so the effect is minimal compared to what it is at night. I absolutely love this software, I really do. So I've tried all the stuff that's obviously with the computer free. I also tried the Razer Chroma RGB app, and it just doesn't touch what you can do on this. So I do highly recommend SignalRGB. It's not sponsored or anything like that. It's just the best that I've found so far. As for back in here, let's turn the music off completely now, and we'll move that to there. As for what's in the free bit, so these are the free bits. So you can make it look like all sorts. But this is, when I'm recording and not playing any music, I'll just have it on a solid colour. But yeah, I think dark matter would probably be quite good, and space. So let's just download that quickly and go on to customise. Yeah, so as you can see, there's lots of like flickering and stuff. And all of them, you can go into effects and you can modify stuff. So you can make it look like it's kind of glistening. I think probably where I've got such a crap web camera, or I've like detuned it at least, the blue probably would have been, the purple would have been showing up as blue. But yeah, it's very, very good, and I highly recommend it. So I'll put a link in the description, and with the pro version, you can just do some stuff with cooling, PC monitoring and macros, but none of that is relevant to me, so it's not worth me getting any more than this version. Anyway, so I'll leave that one there. So thanks for joining me, everyone. I do really appreciate each and every view, and if you've enjoyed this, please feel free to join me in the next one. So cheers everyone, and bye for now.